Hello everyone, I'm back again with vlogging. Today guys, we are going to have an update review from our Volkswagen Ocean Grey 2019 T6. So now guys, we are going to show you how to open the deck in this van. But before you open the deck, you have to open first the doors. I have to open the door, and afterwards,
these are the steps on how to elevate the electric roof found on your California SE in Ocean. Slide the overhead blinds backwards. This overhead blind that covers the roof below for driving should slide back and forth smoothly on its runners and stay closed when driving. This should operate with the ignition turned on, but there should be no need for the engine to be running. Check the buttons and operation of the overhead control panel used to lift the roof. When the roof is already open, check that there are no signs that it has been driven or erected under low-hanging branch, barrier, or similar. Voila! This is your small space on the top, and you can also push it upwards so you can have more space and can stand in your small living room.
so I can stand here. Du musst hier auf dem
Sicher nicht.
So you can stand here guys. Actually it's so high, so it's comfortable. You can walk here and do some business. So, okay, and then if you open so you can sleep here guys. Actually you can, it's so comfortable guys. And there are also some windows here by the side, so you have some fresh air and some lights if you want some sunshine here as well. And then
you have a small window here, and when you open, you will see the amazing view from the outside. Apart from that, you can also open this second window in front of you. And now you fully see the stunning view from the outside. We also have an additional band or spine here that naturally folds inwards when the roof is lowered. This is to prevent roof failures or errors, especially during windy conditions. The deck has also a power port and is very well lighted. These lights here are also dimmable. Here is an outdoor space where you store your outdoor chairs. Here is the switch button for your dimmable lights at the back of your car. We have already some stuffs here, so when we decide to go outside spontaneously on weekends, then we are good to go. Here is where you will connect your shower hose at the rear of your car. This small shower works pretty well in rinsing things off and might even be used in the event of not having a shower handy after a ride on a hot and sunny day.
So here is where you will insert your cable for electricity. So you have electricity inside the car, and this one here is where you will put some fresh water, so that you have fresh water inside the car, and the bottle contains 30 liters.
And you see the crazy man windsurfing on this weather time.
Here is a customized overboard shelf where we store our books, tissue boxes, and small stuffs. These are the features that we chose for our small cockpit. This van also runs smooth and fast as we took the 199 horsepower. It also has its own heating system, so you don't have to worry on some cold days or winter times. And it also has its 4-wheel drive. If you haven't checked our first review on this camper van, please do check our channel, and the vlog tackles some important features like the small kitchen, the fridge, the cupboards, some storage rooms, and many more.
Thank you so much for watching my Volkswagen 2019 upgrade review. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below for more videos. Until next time, bye!